Hello viewers. So today we're making a nice soup and the soup is called Indiana Mixed Vegetable Soup. Desi tadka on a mixed vegetable broth. So let's see what we have in our plates. To start with, we have some regular oil. We got some chopped garlic, some green chilies, dried red chilies, curry leaves, lime, some vermicelli. We can also use any kind of pasta. Here we have some salt, some ginger, carrots, boiled sweet corn and some baby corn. I've got some vegetable stock, some fresh coriander leaves, some chopped onion, yellow capsicum, green capsicum, red capsicum, some French beans and some star anise. And here I have some tomato puree. So let's start with a nice interesting recipe of a bowl of goodness in a soup. So let's start with our soup recipe. So we have a pan heating up. Into the pan we'll add some regular oil. You could also use olive oil. We're trying to make a few healthy recipes these days. So I don't want to make it very oily, because adding on calories is very easy and cutting it becomes very difficult for some people. So once the oil starts heating up, I'm going to add some star anise into my oil. This is going to be flavoring my oil, a nice spice which is available all over the world. Followed by, I'm going to add some ginger which I have cut into thin small juliennes. So I don't want the pan to be very hot. So I got my star anise and my ginger. These are my flavoring agents into my oil, which will give me a nice taste in my soup. Next, what I'm adding is some chopped onions. You could also use spring onions. So a lot of people have been asking that how do we make different kinds of soups? And for some, making a soup is a big task, because they feel that making a soup takes a lot of time and has a lot of complicated procedures. But it's not like that. Making soups is very interesting, and you can try different combinations as per your choice and your taste and availability of ingredients, of course. So please don't hesitate to try soups. So while the onions are sweating over there, they're becoming a bit soft. I'm going to use a variety of vegetables today, but you could always choose as per your taste. So what I have coming in next is, I have a few colorful vegetables here. So I've got some carrots, which I've cut into small pieces. I've got some sweet corn, as well as baby corn, which I'm going to be adding. So let's start adding them one by one. Baby corn, carrots, sweet corn. So a nice bowl of goodness, full of nutrition. Here I have some French beans, which I have cut into small pieces. So as you can see, different colors will make a soup interesting. And I give it a light stir to make sure the flavor of the star anise is nicely blending with the vegetables. So this is one recipe that you can make for the entire family at one time, and it can be kept at the center of your table for a nice mini meal. So as you can see now, the vegetables are sweating and they're going to be becoming a bit softer. And the amount of oil is very little, because people have been asking for some zero oil recipes these days. So indulgence is okay once in a while, but yes, we also need to watch our weight. And I think a soup is comfortably eaten throughout the year. It's not necessary it has to be had only during winter times or during rainy season. So it's totally up to us how we want to adapt ourselves to different recipes. So my vegetables are nicely sauteing there. What I'm going to add next is, I have some vermicelli. I want to add some body into my soup, and I don't want to use a thickening agent like corn flour. today in my recipe. So I'm adding some vermicelli inside, which I will likely toast with the vegetables. You could also use the pasta of your choice, for example macaroni, as we use in minestrone soup. So let's lightly roast the pasta, in this case the vermicelli. So yes, making a soup is quite simple, it's quite easy. You only need to get your pre-preparations done. So I've kept the flame on medium right now, and I'm just sauteing the vermicelli, the sevaya, with my mixed vegetables for a few seconds. So I'm sure you've tried a lot of soups. You've had a sweet corn, you had a palaka shorba, you had tomato dhania shorba, you tried a mancha soup for example. But yes, I would recommend to try this soup. It's a very interesting, a different texture, a different taste into a desi soup. And the best part is what you will see in some time, the tadka coming on top into the soup. So around 20 seconds and the vermicelli gets a nice crunchy look. And next I'm going to be adding in the tomato puree. You could also use fresh grated tomatoes. I'm using puree right now. And that gives me a nice light tomato color in my soup. And my star anise still remains center of attention. I'll add some salt to taste. And coming up next is some vegetable stock or some water. So I've got some wet stock over here, which I will add to give some volume to my soup and allow the vermicelli to cook as well in the broth. So after we add our stock, we need to simmer our soup for about 8 to 10 minutes on a medium flame, allowing the vermicelli to cook with the vegetables. And when we come back after a while, we'll be adding in the colorful capsicums and rest of the ingredients. So our soup has been simmering for about 10 minutes. Let's have a look. So as you can see, the vermicelli inside has been cooking along with the vegetables. We give it a light stir and see the texture now is looking a bit different. It's got a bit of thickness from the vermicelli, and automatically our soup gets some body as well. And I don't like to overcook my vegetables in a soup. I like them crunchy. So moving on further, what we're adding next is some colorful capsicums, like red, yellow, green capsicums, bell peppers. So that's a nice, simple, easy soup. So after I add my capsicums, I give it a light mix, and I've still got some more color in my soup. And the vermicelli is all cooked right now. It smells very different, very interesting with the star anise flavor inside. And now it's time to finish my soup by giving it the Indian tadka. So what I'm doing is I'm getting ready with my tadka pan on the side. And our soup will be ready in the next couple of minutes. So into my tadka pan on this side, I've got about 1 teaspoon of oil, into which I'm going to put a few things. Chopped garlic, some curry leaves, some green chilies, some red chilies, and a dash of lime towards the end will go on my soup. What you could also do is, you could also use kaffir lime leaves or even fresh basil leaves in place of curry leaves. So my tadka pan is heating up, and I add the curry leaves inside, followed by some chopped garlic, some green chilies, and I break a couple of red chilies inside. and I allow the tadka to cook for a few seconds. I want the garlic to become a bit light brown, and I pour that hot tadka onto my soup, and my bowl of goodness will be ready. So the garlic starts to change color. A nice crackling sound around. A nice light goldenish color. And I turn off the flame and I pour my tadka into my soup like this. So look at this, people. A soup can also be tempered. So tempering refers to tadka basically. So nice aromatic flavor here of the curry leaves, the red chilies, the burnt garlic flavor. And my soup is all set to be plated. I just give it one more boil. I turn off the flame and I squeeze a dash of fresh lime juice into my soup to add some tang. And now what I'm doing is I'm getting ready for plating. So I've got a plate ready here with my soup bowl. I've got a nice hearty bowl today. A nice big bowl of soup. I'm going to start plating my soup. The Indiana mixed vegetable soup is all set for dishing out. You could adjust the liquid as per your choice and your taste. So I'm going to be serving my soup with some nice garlic toast. And remember, I'm not going to be using any kind of butter. What I'm using today, I'm going to use some peanut butter, the healthier option, with some black olives on my toast to go with this soup. Finally, to finish my soup, I like some fresh herbs on top, or even some coriander. Looks nice, something fresh. You could also use basil leaves, but I'm okay with a bit of coriander right now. So there we are, ready with the bowl of goodness, the Indiana mixed vegetable soup with vermicelli and mixed vegetables of your choice. So do try this soup in your kitchen. And while I indulge in this bowl of goodness, you take care, stay home, stay safe, happy cooking. Thanks for watching.